Are you a new YouTuber on YouTube? You started your YouTube journey already and you're getting to 1 year, but you're scared what is going to happen to my channel? Will my channel be deleted from the YouTube platform? Will I not get monetized at all? What is going to be my fate if I've completed my 1 year? I've stayed on this YouTube channel for 3 months. I've stayed for 1 year. I've stayed for 2 years, 3 years, 5 years, and I'm not monetized on YouTube. Why am I having a drastic drop down when it comes to my watch hour, when it comes to my subscribers? What is really happening on YouTube? I really want to know. This video is actually for you. I've gotten a lot of comments where people come to my live stream or they come to my comment section to be like, oh Sonia, I'm over 1 year on YouTube. This channel is long overdue on YouTube. Until now, this channel is not monetized. What do you think I should do? Should I delete? Should I not delete? What will happen? What is my fate? Will I be able to join the YouTube partnership or not? What is YouTube talking about people that are already 1 year plus on YouTube? All of that that I'll actually be giving you thoughts. I come today in this video to actually settle it for you, because today I came with my marker and my board, because I'm going to be doing a detailed tutorial. I'm going to be telling you what's actually going to happen on your YouTube journey as a whole if you get to 1 year on YouTube without monetizing on YouTube. Okay. Hello beautiful people, welcome back again to my YouTube channel. It's Vibe with Sonia and I'm back again with another mind-blowing video. How you guys doing? Hope you guys are fine, hope you guys are good. If this is the first time tuning in, do it, subscribe, like this video, drop me your comment, and lastly do not forget to share for every other person to get this good news. And yes, with no further ado, let's just start my calculations. So guys, right now I am with my marker and I am with my board, and we're going to be doing all the calculation and tell you what is going to happen to your YouTube channel. So let's start now. Okay, so this is 12 months. Okay, which is approximately 1 year. Okay, 1 year on YouTube, and you did not monetize your YouTube channel. So let's assume this person to be Joy. Okay, and then we're going to be having the watch hour here as well, which is the watch hour. And then this is February. Sorry, we'll start from January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, and then December. So, and this is it. And now let's assume that within this period, Joy was able to achieve here 1,000 watch hour. Okay, 1,000 watch hour. Then for the month of March, Joy got 100 watch hour. For the month of April, Joy got 300 watch hour. And then for May, she got 50. And then for June, she got another 1,000. And then for July, she got 500. And then for August, she got 20. For September, she got 10. For October, she got another 20. And then she got another 10, and then she got 5 for December. So this is an assumption, okay? This is not telling us that Joy is going to get all of this, and this is for January, February. So let's assume these are all the watch hour that Joy have. And then if you're going to add all of this watch hour together, this is 1,100, 2,000. All of this watch hour is definitely not going to get Joy 4,000 watch hour, okay? So since this cannot get Joy 4,000 watch hour, and Joy is over 1 year on YouTube, this is exactly what YouTube is going to do to Joy. Okay, so let's assume again that Joy started her YouTube channel the month of January that she got this 1,000 subscribers, and then within the next 365 days, Joy did not meet up to get the 4,000 watch hour. These are the only watch hours she got. That is to tell Joy will continue her upload in January. Okay, so once it gets to January, this is what YouTube is going to do to Joy's watch hour. Okay, for January, YouTube is going to deduct this. They will deduct this 1,000. Okay, once Joy gets to January in 365 days without she monetizing, YouTube will remove the whole 1,000 that Joy got during the month of January. Okay, and once it is February, YouTube will remove the 100 that Joy gets. Okay, except if Joy is able to meet up to her monetization, then Joy will not have a problem. But in as much as Joy did not meet up, YouTube is going to continue the deduction. So even if Joy is uploading and Joy is getting extra watch hour, the watch hour will continue to minus itself each month until when you are monetized. Okay? Until when Joy is monetized. When Joy is monetized on YouTube, automatically Joy is free. Joy can now feel free on YouTube, and then anything will not happen to Joy's watch hour. So let's take for example again, we have John, okay? And John started his own from the month of February, which is getting 100 watch hour. Once he got to another 365 days, YouTube is going to deduct this particular watch hour if John did not monetize on YouTube. I don't know if someone is getting something in the comment section. If you're getting something in the comment section, let me know in the comment section. So this is what YouTube will actually do to your watch hour if you didn't meet up to the YouTube partnership program of 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hour. And why I'm doing this is because under a whole lot of people, it is very easy for you to get your 1,000 subscribers, but getting your watch hour is a little bit difficult. And that is why I'm coming here to break down all of this for you so that you will now know what to do. So if I am John now, if I have 1,000 within the month of January, I will make sure to check what video energized me to get up to this 1,000. What did I do? What did I do special that I actually got this 1,000? And then my watch hour is dropping. That is why I see that a whole lot of people will get to like 2,000, 3,000 watch hour, and when it comes to the next year of that particular month, they started their YouTube channel. They now start complaining that, oh, YouTube is deducting my watch hour. Why is YouTube deducting my watch hour? What did I do to YouTube? I have had more than this watch hour before, and then my watch hour is dropping drastically. So this is exactly what happened to your YouTube channel when you are not monetized. Until you are monetized, that's main time, you can know that you are rest assured that nothing is going to happen to your watch hour. So let's get back into this video. So thank you so much for staying stick and hook with me to the end of this video. You've seen that if you're 1 year or more than 1 year on YouTube, YouTube is definitely not going to delete your account. YouTube is not going to stop giving you views. That is one thing you should know. YouTube is also not going to say you're not going to join the partnership program. The only thing that this thing can majorly affect is actually your watch hour, okay? It will drastically affect your watch hour. That is why it is very advisable that if you're starting up on YouTube and you know that, okay, you are on a speed lane on YouTube, just continue that lane and that pace so that you can be able to meet up to your watch hour, because watch hour is the main thing that you need. Most persons will not get getting subscribers. For most persons is very, very simple as ABCD. I've done countless videos on how you can actually get your subscribers even within just 3 days, but getting watch hour is something that must come from your videos. It must come from your live stream, and you need to make sure to put all of that into work, okay? For those one asking me, oh, I have over 4,000 watch hour coming from my short videos, can I monetize? Why am I not seeing the application button to monetize on YouTube? It is because YouTube don't count any views or any watch hour you get from your short videos. The watch hour that actually counts for you is the one you get from your long form videos and then from your live stream, okay? So if you know what you know how to do best, start implementing it. If you're not being consistent on YouTube, if you want your journey to be shorter for you, it is very, very good for you to start pushing all you can, okay, within a period of 1 year, if you are just starting on YouTube. While if you have been up to this stage 2 years, 3 years, it is now high time for you to pick up from where you have stopped and start to be a lot more consistent on YouTube so that your watch hour can actually gather for you. And before next year this time, I want to see every one of you monetize. I hope this video is able to help anyone out there. If it does, please don't forget to subscribe. Don't also forget to like this video. Don't also forget to let me know what your thoughts are on the video tutorials. And yes, with no further ado, I do add like always say in my videos, I'm going to be saying that, and I'll see you guys in my next one. For now, don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share. Bye guys. Mwah.